Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Take a moment and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification because it will mean a lot if you would subscribe. In the festive series, the third eye makeup look is for this Diwali is this beautiful green smoky eye with a hint of yellow and gold. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lid with this Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige. You know the drill. It's the same concealer that I use as a base for all my shadows. So I'm going to blend it well and then I'm going to set it with Colourpop's No Filter Setting Powder in translucent. And to create a smoky, I'm going to use Lakme's Eyeconic Kajal in black, and I'm just going to roughly draw a liner on my eyelids like this. You don't have to be precise, just draw a rough line because we are going to smudge it and blend it. Now with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend this kajal into my lid space. Don't go over the crease area, we just want that smokiness on the lid. So if you feel it's getting lighter, apply the kajal again and smudge it out or blend it well once again. Green shimmery green color, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful shimmery green on my lid. So you can use your fingers and apply it, but I have used some setting spray on my brush and I'm going to apply that shimmer shade all over the lid like so. Just dab the product and don't brush it through. I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette and I'm going to use that beautiful shade of yellow as my crease or the transition color, and I'm going to blend it well for a beautiful pop of yellow on my crease. Now I'm going to use a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges so that there are no harsh edges. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go over with that shimmer green again and I'm going to dab that on my lid for that perfect glitter green. I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in Cherry Brown and I'm going to define my brows. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. I'm going to fill in and then again brush out so that I get those natural looking brows. Now to define the brow bone area, I'm going to use Mary Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics as my brow bone highlight. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to mix LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and Orange, and I'm going to mix them well to get this beautiful peach tone, and I'm going to cover my dark circle, blend it well, and then I'm going to set it with some powder and leave it right there. Now to define my upper and lower waterline, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black and I'm going to apply it on my upper and lower waterline. Now getting back to my under eye area, I'm going to apply LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and I'm going to highlight that under eye circles and blend it well and set it with a translucent powder. Actually, I should have gone with the shade Medium Beige. This is a little tad bit dark. It's okay. I'm going to use the same yellow shade and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I know that's too much of a product, but you can blend it well. And from the Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette, I'm going to use that gold and I'm going to highlight my inner corner, curl your lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. Once you're done with this, you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. Guys, this is look number 3 for this Diwali season. Beautiful smoky green with a pop of yellow and gold. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. And for other eye makeup look, go and check my channel out. There are many more eye makeup and other videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It will really mean a lot. Happy Diwali to you all in advance. Take care. Bye bye.